Hi, welcome back to Clearwater Pro Wash. We are getting ready to repair this patio paver, give it a deep clean power wash, get rid of the weeds, algae, and moss, and then we'll be back in a few days to compact in new tan sand, and then a few days after that we'll put a sealer on. So thanks for joining Clearwater Pro Wash. We're in Grove City, Ohio today. Thank you. 614-425-9395. So we have finished deep cleaning, repairing this patio paver down in Grove City, Ohio. So the pressure washing got all the sand, the weeds, everything else out of here. And then it's drying right now. So we'll be back in a few days to compact in new sand. Not just push it with water, but we're actually compacting it in twice to get it as deep and as compacted as possible. Thanks for joining Clearwater Pro Wash, 614-425-9395.